Hi, we are currently on the Costa Fascinosa and we are entering the Mini Suite 7455 located in the aft of the ship. As soon as you walk in, you note that you will need your Costa card in order to access the lights in this room. So it is a mini suite, like I said, so it does come with a few great perks and a really nice spacious corner unit. So over here on the left, you'll see that there is plenty of hanging space. I'll go through that in a moment. And there is a fridge over here with a little table, a chair. You can see that the life jackets are there for a mandatory emergency embarkation process that we have to go through. And in general, you can see there's a sitting space here. And you will note that there's quite a few differences of different kinds of adapters that you can use. So you have 115 volt and 220 volt over here. We do have a TV in this room, and you can see that we have a nice queen size bed with USB ports on either side of the bed, as you can see, and a little bit of extra storage. And here's the access to the balcony, which I will go through in a second, and a very spacious bathroom. So there's lots of storage on either side, and the shower is really quite large, and it's got a combination soap and shower gel. In continuation, going out to the balcony on room 7455, you can see it's an extra large balcony. It's actually a wraparound on the starboard side of the ship. So we have an area here, this is the starboard, and then we have a full view. Look at the size of this, with a chair, two chairs and a table. And we are now in the aft of the Costa Fascinosa on the 7th floor, 7455. This is a view of Buenos Aires, Argentina port, and just going to enter back in so you get a general sense of what the room looks like re-entering. So this is the washroom here on the left. Here's the bed again, and we'll now look at the amount of storage we have here. So we have three large areas here. We have a safe and lots of shelving. And both of these units here are quite spacious, with hanging and space for your shoes on the bottom, and the same for the third unit here. Very bright and spacious, lots of natural light, and I think we're going to be really happy in this room. So again, mini suite, it does come with its perks, and one of them is you get priority embarkation, and we'll see if we do have access to a special restaurant or not. And apparently we should be getting some fruit in the room, but I'm not sure. Thanks for watching.